All right, everybody, welcome back to my channel. How you doing out there, pepperheads and gardeners out there? Good shout out to you. This is a week later here in the garden, and yeah, this is my Trinidad scorpion. They're doing pretty good. Not a nice little buzz going on here. I don't do any self-pollinating. I let them do their own thing out here. I let Mother Nature do what it do. But I got a lot of pods coming up on that baby girl there. This here is another Trinidad scorpion. She's doing lovely too. She got a lot of shoots coming out. More to come down there. And this here is my surprise. I don't remember what it was. Remember I told you about you guys there? I don't remember what it was, but I know she's hot because that's all I do is hot. I might experiment with some jalapeno peppers in the ground every now and then, like them red ones I did. That was just an experiment testing the soil out. But this baby girl is doing good. The surprise pepper. And my chocolate budylokia is just, man, she just off the chain growing, man. She's just insane how big she getting. And my Carolina Reaper, she's getting her some nice fruits going on too. I mean, guys, these plants are doing so lovely. Don't you agree? And the car is here in the back of me, so I can't get as far back as I want, but they're doing all pretty good. And this is the Apocalypse Scorpion. She's starting to get her little shoots out of there. And this is, I guess this will be, let's see, 2 weeks, 2 weeks out. This will be 4, 8, 10 weeks, folks. That's where we at right now. And this is my watermelon. She's doing so good. I'm not sure what else to let her grow. I'm just let her do her thing. I'm just trying to. I'm sorry about that. I got you guys off camera. I'm trying to let her do her thing right there. She haven't started shooting any fruits yet, but I'm thinking this is what this is gonna be right here. Maybe. I haven't seen any flower, and I'm thinking that's what that. I don't know. I never grew watermelon before. It's an experiment. If anybody out there knows anything about that, you can comment and let me know. This is my ghost pepper right here. She is only a month, maybe a month and a half now, something like that. I think she's just a month and a half. And this is a Carolina Reaper that's only 2 months. But anyway, folks, that's just a little quick walkthrough. Show y'all how everybody doing. And they're doing great. I'll be back with you guys next week to show you the progress on them. See, they get a little bigger, a lot more fruits going on. That Carolina Reaper is doing really good. And shows this budylokia, a surprise. And remember, those are doing so well because I used that fish in those. I didn't use fish in the ones I put leaves and apples in, but they're also doing pretty good too. She got a pretty thick stem going on there. She's just not as tall as them. Neither is my Trinidad scorpion here, but she already started spitting out fruits and got plenty pods coming. So I don't know, to each pepper is on, but and my tomato right there, she's getting some flowers. She haven't spit out any fruits yet, but it's gonna happen. Thank you for watching, folks. Like, comment, share this with your friends. Thank you for watching. And subscribe.